Hi everyone, it's Levi and Natalie with Henley's Happy Trails. Today we are in Bayard, Nebraska at their city park campground, and this is also a free site that we found on Allstays. There are 3 sites to this park. They include electricity and water hookups at each site, and they'd probably fit, our rig is about 26 feet long, so they could comfortably fit about 35-foot rig. So it's free for the first 2 nights, and then after the 2 nights, it's $10 each night that you stay. We are located in kind of the cul-de-sac of a neighborhood. There's houses behind us and in front of us. There's also the entire city park. It's a quaint little park that has picnic tables, pavilions, a tennis court, playground, and a city swimming pool too, although it's not open right now. There are some restrooms here too, but those are locked.
Go.
Pets are welcome at the park, just make sure you pick up after them, and we've been getting excellent 4G service with our Verizon. Now, we kind of took a chance coming here because there are only 3 sites, but we are really glad that we stopped by. This neighborhood is really quiet. We're the only ones that are here right now, and we also took a couple of hours to go and visit a historical marker that's just about 5 miles away, and that is the Chimney Rack historical site. There's a visitor center with tons of exhibits and a great view to take photos of Chimney Rack. The ladies at the counter also let us know about a scenic detour we could take in order to see the Chimney Rack up close, because you can't really walk to it.
If you liked this video, click to subscribe. There's also a little bell icon in YouTube. If you click that, it'll let you know when we put new videos up if you're subscribed to us. We found this camping location on Allstays. There's a link in the description below this video that will take you to Allstays, and you can see if that's something that will help you on your travels. It is an affiliate link. If you want to see more articles and other things that we do, check out henleyshappytrails.com or check us out on Facebook at Henley's Happy Trails.